Hi. Hi, my name is Alessandra Merizzi, clinical psychologist and researcher at Benign Care NHS Foundation Trust in the UK and now at IRCA in Italy. I've been collaborating with the University of Wollongong in Australia for the realization of the UK Dementia Driving Decision Aid DDDA as the UK National Coordinating Investigator of the project. The DDDA is a person-centered resource that enables drivers with dementia to be central in the decision about driving retirement, and planning for alternative mobility options. This tool was originally developed in Australia by a multidisciplinary health and research team, which also involved older drivers with dementia as co-designers. The resources structure adopted the principles of the International Patient Decision Aid Standards, as well as the other personal aid decision frameworks. An Australian pilot study showed a reduction of decision conflicts regarding driving cessation after the use of the booklet. The DDDA has been translated in different languages and culturally adopted in New Zealand, the US, Taiwan, and now in the UK. Also, educational models for healthcare practitioners were developed on the theme of dementia driving and the use of the booklet, which is available online at www.adeher.org.au. The collaboration between the UK and Australia began about 5 years ago as a response to the needs of people living with dementia, which were voiced during meetings of dementia campaigning group Let's Be Heard in Oldham, Greater Manchester area. At the time, the group wanted to focus on the topic of driving and understand more about the process of driving retirement, as this felt unclear and unfair. Kate Woffer and the Dementia Alliance International members suggest to us to contact Professor Victoria Traynor, and the research idea for a UK version of the DDDA booklet blossomed. The research project involved people living with dementia, their family carers, and healthcare professionals who were recruited through various channels, including the NHS. This required a thorough ethical approval obtained from the Health Research Authority with the great help of Benign Care Research Department. The study included 3 phases. The first one was for the development of a UK draft version of the aid that was finalized by a subgroup from the Oldham Memory Assessment and Treatment Service team. The second phase consisted in collecting data for the review and the development of this draft version. Comments and feedback, mainly from healthcare professionals, were collected from an online survey, which was spread nationally. Also, face-to-face and online interviews took place in Oldham area to include the voices of people living with dementia, with driving experience, and their family carers. Finally, the research team, enriched by a new site, Dorset Healthcare University NHS Foundation Trust, analyzed and collected the comments and suggestions, carefully selected the ones that were more frequent and relevant to the booklet and its principles, and finalized the UK version of the Dementia Driving Decision Aid booklet. The UK DDDA booklet is now available as a PDF file, freely downloadable from the ADHERE website in the Driving and Dementia section under DDDA International Adapted Versions. Thank you for listening and have a great day.